Keep the pressure and lose the waste by swapping to a low-flow showerhead. A water-efficient showerhead is one of the easiest ways to cut your water use, and it won't make an ounce of difference to the pressure you have already. Standard heads can use up to 15 litres a minute, but a water-efficient one brings that down to 6 litres. That's a water saving of more than half. If we all make small changes, we can save water to protect our local water supplies. Get your free shower head from Portsmouth Water.